Welcome friend, welcome to our channel Quality Guru. Friend, today our topic is product complaint. Product complaint, any written, verbal or electronic communication expressing dissatisfaction with a pharmaceutical product. Scope, concern aspect like identity, strength, quality, purity, efficacy, packaging or labeling of the product. Source, complaint can come from consumer, healthcare professional, pharmacists, wholesaler, regulatory authority, or other involved in the product life cycle. Reference guideline 21 CFR 211, Subpart J, record and reports 211.198, and Subpart K, return and salvage drug product 211.204 and 211.208. Schedule M Part 1, serial number 6 and 7, complaint and adverse reaction and product recall. WHOTRS 1010 Annex 5, guidance on testing of suspect and falsified medicine. Type of product complaint: quality issue, labeling and packaging error, efficacy concern, safety issue. Quality issue: discoloration, abnormal taste or smell, missing tablet and capsule, leaking packaging or presence of foreign object. Labeling and packaging error: incorrect or unreadable label, torn or punctured packaging, or incorrect product in the package. Efficacy concern: report that product did not produce the expected therapeutic effect or efficacy of the product. Safety issue: adverse drug reaction after taking the product or suspected contamination, tampering or counterfeit product. Handling of product complaint: receipt and recording, investigation, root cause analysis, classification, corrective action, trend analysis and reporting. Receipt and recording: record all complaints promptly, ensuring they are formally documented with detail like product name, batch number, date, and the nature of the complaint. Investigation: a thorough investigation is conducted to identify the root cause. This may involve document review, checking manufacturing record and retention sample, laboratory analysis, testing sample for quality issue. Root cause analysis: determining the underlying reason for the defect. Classification: complaints are often classified critical, major, and minor to prioritize action. Corrective action: implement actions or address the issue and prevent reoccurrence. Trend analysis and reporting: periodically review complaint data to identify trend and area for improvement within the quality management system. Why complaints are important: patient safety, regulatory compliance, quality improvement, reputation management. Patient safety: identifying and resolving quality issue directly impact patient health. Regulatory compliance: adhering to regulations like CGMP is crucial. Quality improvement: complaint provide valuable feedback for continuous improvement of product and process. Reputation management: a robust complaint handling system help maintain customer trust and protect the company reputation. Product classification and example: a classification method should be used identify the quality, safety, and performance issues and that pose a high risk to individual health and to the public health and therefore require the most immediate action to protect public health and safety. Complaint may include administrative, contractual complaint, and technical complaint. Example of complaint: color, smell, or taste of product, possible deterioration of product, wrong label or wrong product, possible mix up, less product found container, possible leaking or product issues, adverse reaction after consuming product, presence of possible allergens or prohibited substances, slow delivery, efficacy issue, product not showing efficacy. Special attention should be paid to complaint concerning quality of product and adverse reaction. Required investigation tool: Root cause analysis, RCA tool. These tools help uncover the underlying cause of a complaint. Fishbone diagram, cause and effect diagram, help to categorize potential cause of problems such as machine, material, method, environment, people to find the root cause. 5 why technique, a simple but effective method for exploring cause and effect relationship by repeatedly asking why to drill down to the root cause. FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis, a systematic approach to identify potential failure in a process or product, assess their severity and implement measures to prevent them. Pareto chart, used to identify the most significant factor contributing to a problem based on Pareto principle that a small number of cause often account for most of the effect. Brainstorming, a collaborative technique to generate a wide range of potential cause and solution for the complaint. Documentation and record upkeeping, accurate and detailed record are vital for investigation and compliance. Complaint record, batch manufacturing record, quality control and stability data, corrective and preventive action record. Complaint record, a comprehensive log of all complaint including details like the customer, product, batch number and the nature of complaint. Batch manufacturing record, detailed record of manufacturing process for a specific batch which are reviewed to identify any manufacturing deviations that could be the source of complaint. Quality control and stability data, comparison of the complaint product with the retention sample and stability data help in identify if the issue relates to a deviation in manufacturing or a potential degradation. Corrective and preventive action, CAPA record, documenting the CAPA implemented, their effectiveness and their impact on preventing reoccurrence of the issue. Regulatory and system tools, quality management system, International Council for Harmonization, ICH Q10 guideline, regulatory agency guideline, risk assessment. Quality management system, a framework to ensure that all aspects of product quality are managed effectively, including the complaint handling process. ICH Q10 guideline provide a model for pharmaceutical quality system that include relevant element for managing complaint. Regulatory agency guideline from regulatory body dictate the requirement for complaint handling, investigation timeline and documentation. Risk assessment, this is the tools like preliminary hazard analysis and risk ranking are used to assess the potential impact of the defect on patient safety and overall product quality. Product complaint activity, market complaint process comprises of the following activity: market complaint initiation, initial complaint assessment, risk assessment and classification, pharmacovigilance communication in case of ADR, ADE and lack of effectiveness complaint, regulatory communication assessment only for critical and major market complaint, extended investigation, market complaint classified as critical, major and minor. Final quality assessment, risk assessment, impact assessment and final classification. SME approval and CAPA submission, SME HOD approval, cross-functional team approval, closure review, site head approval for critical market complaint, quality head approval for major and critical market complaint, record closure. Counterfeit complaint investigation, a counterfeit is an item that use someone else's trademark without their permission. By making or selling a counterfeit, criminals seek to profit unfairly from the trademark owner's reputation. Counterfeiting is a fraudulent imitation, a forgery of a trusted brand and product, and a serious crime. Investigation for counterfeit product in case of any market complaint related to counterfeit or suspected or fake is known as non-genuine product. For this we need to check with result sample or control sample. We need to check the following things: batch number, any existing mark, batch lesion coding detail, version number of pack, 2D code, QR code scanning, barcode, shade of packing material, color of ink of text matter. Thank you. Keep watching and giving a positive response. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot.